My people, una well done. Wanna take click this video. Wanna take the watch and so make una not forget. Say na we na be diaspora facts. And maybe they bring this particular ogbonge matter. So now my name be Chris Pedro. In case you never subscribe for this YouTube channel, I beg with you. Make you click that red button when you did there, so make you just click on, and the bell when they near make you ring and make it make bang as it sound. So my people, because now only that one now be one benefits we would get for your hand, and with that one, so anytime we will still get matter like this, we will use and take fire your eye and your ear, so that you know go dey updated, you go dey current. This today matter one will bring come, as I tell you now before, say now so good news and we dey hear. This one still under bonus energia. The one we want to talk about today now, bonus aqua, water bonus. Many of us we know say this bonus is dey grant for Italy. This bonus now the year 2016 now they put them into law, but now 2018 now it can start to the operate. They put them for law for it there for Article 3 paragraph 1 of the DPCM of 13th of October 2016. In complementation of Article 60 of Law number 221, so-called environmental connection. What will be the water bonus aqua? This bonus aqua so for Italy. Now the bonus when they tell they facilitate or now the okay, it be like that one too big. Now the facility now something where they put for ground. Now something where they put for ground, may they tell reduce the cost of water when they supply to families when they the condition where when they call the economic hardship. So everybody will use water. Why do they do these bonuses? Because water now one of the basic amenities. Basic amenities where citizens suppose they enjoy for the place where they dey. So they know say water is not get enemy. And because of that one, they can't put this bonus for 2016. Say everybody they use water, and some people feel use water, but government will help them pay small for inside the matter. That one where government they pay, so now be the bonus when me and you they talk about. And that bonus, not be say they will give you the money for handle, so that you not go use and take go chop chicken. They will need to give the money to the people when you they pay your bill to. That is the company when you forget contracts of that water when they supply you water, like Iren, for example. They will give them the money, and another one will come they take the money small for inside your bill. If they say you no say you if you apply for this bonus, you no say that they pay you the bonus. Now for your bill, as your bill come like this, they don't estimate the total amount of your bill. Maybe na 100 euro. Now be your water consumption. They'll come minus like 30 euro or 50 euro or 25 euro or 10 euro. They will write and put say for that money there say na social bonus. They will write and put for like that. Then they will minus and come out. Bonus social. They will write and put. They will minus the money come out for the money when you take spend for your water when your meter read. Now the other one where you will come pay. Join the one where government don't help you pay for inside. Then if this thing don't they happen, they come from 2018. As we first talking just now. Why it can't be saying now with the call and say na bonus we will now we will call it clap for. As I tell you before, say despite say it don't take when this thing don't take come up. Tell the people till they enjoy them. But a lot of people when get house, they never still they enjoy this thing. A lot of people never still they enjoy them. Because some people even self not to do is there, not to talk or say they won't know where to make kind they do is there. If you do is there that time, finish. You can't see carry the ISE. Once the ISE certificate don't come out, you can't carry the ISE certificate, so can't go CAF when they near you, or you feel go your municipality, that is your commune, maybe assistance social, they'll come help you apply put for this bonus. But for this 2020, so for this 20, God forbid 2020, for this 2021, so the matter it don't change like that. Will be the people when you go qualify for this particular bonus aqua. Now the people will be say their ISE certificate declare say they get below 8,107 euro for their ISE. If you get below 8,107 euro 50 cents for your ISE, you go qualify for this bonus. And the bonus, so that one for person will be say their family they chikele, that their family is they small. That is they get maybe papa, mama, and less than 3 children. But if you can't get 3 children and above, and they say you get large family, your ISE when you go take qualify for this bonus, it go be 20,000 euros. But meanwhile, this money not be waiting that they give person for hand me to go buy chicken. Now money without the suffering they pay for you for your water bill. So that if you consume like 20 euro, government can help you pay 20 euro, you not will pay any money again. But if you consume like 50 euro, government help you pay 20 euro, you will come pay 30 euro for that month. How you tell no say they pay you the money, you go see them for your bill. They go write down there say sociale bonus sociale. They go write down for there. Okay. The reason why it be good news today, they say they publish for the people when they in charge of bonus energia. They publish for the reason why it be good news today, be say they publish for the website of people when they in charge of bonus energia. Now the people now that they call Segate. That's Segate people. So they can publish on the 2nd of December 2020. Say, according to the law when they pass for 26th of October 2019, where some Burukere amendment constitute day for 19th of December 2019, they can say from 1st of January 2021 when we did so. People no need to go they apply put for this bonus from CAF or from their municipality, which is their commune. Once you just do your ISE like this, and your money just fall below that 8,107 euro 50 cents, automatically ins go carry your matter, go give the people when they call SII. Now these people now they in charge of your water or your lights and something. So now they in charge of, depending on the company when you sign your contract with, of water contract with. Now so they will just carry them, will carry your matter, give them. All those people now come look and say, okay, since you be citizen, when be say your is there, low. Not be say not get leg, he get leg, but just like not feed the wrong way. Your is there small. They will come say, okay, this person so would they help and they pay, government go they help and they pay small for a water when they consume. Okay, make I shock you with one thing. You know, say if you consume, maybe the money when government don't budget for the year to support your water matter. Now like 300 euro for example, or 200 euro for example. And you can't spend your water when you spend come small. e no come big, e no come many. Then the people when they in charge, the company when they in charge of your water, they go dey owe you money. So anytime we come they consume water, they come they bring 0 error. After they don't bring the money, then they come minus the one way government supposed give you for that month, they come give you 0 error. It happened for me. I get many months when I not pay water bill. Almost full year because we know the two they consume water like that. Now just to bath, come out. You know see they be. So that kind of one, so we're not going to pay many money. For good 1 year, if you say now 0 error, now they bring the comfort pay. After I don't calculate everything, they can say bonus sociale minus 20 euro. And the money we are supposed to pay for the water we are consume now like 20 euro. They can just minus 20 euro come out. I can't get 0 amount. You get one certain time where they can't even they put minus so amount. That is so that they owe me. The reason why we they call this one good news so be say the stress of you to go apply put again after you don't do your exam, maybe you don't do stress of exam. You can't see go back again, can't go to do bonus aqua. That stress now government don't come out and they don't say once you don't do your exam, they see and say you fall under this category when they supposed to enjoy this money so. And so they will just forward your matter, go to the department when they charge. They will send you letter for house. You will begin to see the bonus for your bill. But the case is not saying for your bill, you feel contact this number when they display now for your screen. Tell them say, my is there an so amount, but I'm not going to see bonus aqua for my aqua bill again. Before you know, they will help you find out what thing happen. Now this matter, now we say more quick bring come for you. Make you not forget to subscribe. We remain here for your service. Continue to watch Diaspora Fact. Make you bye-bye.